Space is silent. It has no wind, no air, no sound. But within this silence, there is structure. There is motion. There is drama. Above our heads, the Milky Way stretches across the sky like a cosmic ribbon, an elegant river of stars arcing across the void. We are just one tiny speck, orbiting a modest yellow star in one of its spiral arms. But that river of stars flows inward, converging on a single, unseen point, the galactic center. What happens there shapes everything out here. At the heart of this grand celestial system lies a mystery so profound, it challenges the boundaries of physics, philosophy, and imagination alike. The galactic center is located roughly 26,000 light-years from Earth, in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. From our vantage point, it's obscured, hidden behind dense clouds of gas and interstellar dust. No ordinary telescope can see it. But hidden within that murky core is the anchor of our galaxy, Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole. The word black hole conjures images of monstrous voids, devouring everything in sight. But Sagittarius A* is quiet, calm, almost unassuming, and yet unimaginably massive. This is not just a black hole. It is a gravitational engine holding together the structure of the Milky Way. Without it, the orbits of stars and systems across our galaxy would unravel. But how do we know it exists if it emits no light? The answer lies in the motion of stars. Since the 1990s, astronomers using instruments like the Keck Observatory and Very Large Telescope have tracked individual stars at the galactic center. These stars race through space, pulled by something invisible and incredibly heavy. One star, S2, has become legendary. It orbits the unseen mass every 16 years in a highly elliptical path, moving at speeds greater than 7,500 kilometers per second. That's about 2.5% the speed of light. No visible object could cause such motion. Calculations confirmed it. An invisible object, with the mass of 4 million suns, packed into a space smaller than Mercury's orbit. The only known entity that fits is a black hole. So what is a supermassive black hole? At its core lies a singularity, a point of infinite density. Around it, a boundary called the event horizon marks the point of no return. Nothing that crosses this line can escape, not even light. And yet, black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't suck up everything around them. They obey the same gravitational rules as stars, just with far more intensity. Surrounding many black holes is an accretion disk, a swirling halo of gas and matter heated to millions of degrees. Some black holes shoot out jets of high-energy particles, traveling at near-light speeds, powered by twisted magnetic fields. Though Sagittarius A* is mostly quiet today, it shows occasional flares, brief flashes of X-ray and infrared light, possibly from clumps of gas being consumed. Unlike the ravenous black holes at the centers of active galaxies, called quasars, Sagittarius A* is relatively dormant. Why? Because it's not being fed. There's little matter in its immediate vicinity, and what does drift close moves in chaotic, unpredictable paths. Most of it never crosses the event horizon. But every so often, something wanders too near, perhaps a gas cloud or a star's outer layer, and Sagittarius A* stirs. In 2013, astronomers observed a gas cloud dubbed G2 approach the black hole. Many expected a spectacular feeding event, but G2 survived the encounter, possibly because it wasn't a cloud at all, but a star cloaked in dust. The mystery remains. Where did Sagittarius A* come from? This remains one of the most tantalizing questions in astrophysics. There are two major theories. One, it formed early in the universe's life, from the direct collapse of massive clouds of primordial gas, bypassing the traditional path of stellar death. Two, it began as a smaller black hole, born from a dying star, and grew through mergers and steady feeding over billions of years. But there's a problem. Even in the young universe, we see quasars powered by supermassive black holes. They formed astonishingly fast, faster than our models can explain. Something in our understanding is missing. Some propose exotic seed black holes or physics beyond the standard model. Others suggest regions of space-time collapsed directly into black holes without ever forming stars. The truth remains elusive. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope gave us our first image of a black hole, M87*, in a galaxy 55 million light-years away. In 2022, it achieved a new milestone, imaging Sagittarius A star. This was no easy feat. The gas around Sagittarius A* moves quickly, constantly changing. It was like trying to photograph a fast-moving animal in the dark with a camera the size of Earth. But they did it. The image showed a glowing ring of light bent by gravity, surrounding a dark central shadow. It was the long-sought silhouette of the Milky Way's central black hole, a triumph of human ingenuity, cooperation, and science. Why does this matter? Why should we care about a black hole we can never visit? Because Sagittarius A* isn't just a curiosity. It is a structural pillar of the Milky Way. Without it, the orbits of stars would slowly drift apart. The galaxy would lose its cohesion over billions of years. More than that, black holes seem to regulate star formation. They can heat and stir galactic gas, determining when and where stars are born. Understanding supermassive black holes means understanding how galaxies live, evolve, and die. There's also a more human reason. These questions, what lies at the center of things, what holds it all together, are ancient. They echo through our myths and our philosophies. For centuries, we imagined a physical or spiritual core to the universe. Now we know, at least for our galaxy, it's a point of infinite density, surrounded by the wreckage of time and matter. And somehow that feels right. We are part of a system with a heart, a dark, mysterious, powerful heart. And we orbit it every 225 million years, along with the sun and all the stars you see in the sky. In the grand sweep of cosmic time, we are passing through one heartbeat of the galaxy. What comes next? New telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, the upcoming Extremely Large Telescope, and improved gravitational wave detectors, will give us clearer views of the galactic center. We may witness black holes merging. We may trace the history of Sagittarius A star. We may, one day, map the warped space-time near its event horizon in real time. And perhaps we'll find something even stranger. Maybe Sagittarius A* isn't alone. Maybe it hides a companion. Maybe it's not just a black hole, but a gateway into deeper physics, deeper dimensions. At the center of our galaxy is something ancient, something powerful, something unknown. It neither glows nor speaks, yet it tells a story written in gravity, light, and time. The story of our galaxy, the story of us. Sagittarius A* is not just a black hole. It's a mirror reflecting our curiosity, our need to understand, our drive to look beyond what we can see. And in doing so, it reminds us that the greatest mysteries are not just out there. They're within the fabric of the universe we call home.